In this Snapchat video tutorial today I will show you how to reply on Snapchat. So without spending more time, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app that you have installed. So guys, if someone sent you a Snaps story, so how you can reply this story on a Snapchat? So there is a two way to reply on a Snapchat. So first way, you just need to tap on the Snapchat messages, and as you can see, some people send me snaps when I tap on my Snapchat friend, and as you can see, I can easily view the snaps. So after viewing the snaps, you will find the reply option on the top right side of the screen. So you just need to tap on reply, and here if you want to reply with the snaps, so you just need to take new snaps, and now you just need to tap on send. And as you can see, I have successfully replied to my friend with the help of snap feature. So when I tap on my Snapchat friend chat, and as you can see, I have successfully sent my snaps to the friend with the help of reply feature. So this is the first way to reply on a Snapchat. So the second way, which one is if you want to reply someone's story, so for that you just need to tap on the Snapchat Explorer page, and here you can see all my Snapchat friend stories. So if you want to reply on a Snapchat friend story, so for that you just need to first of all open the Snap, and here you just need to swipe up the screen, and now you can see I can easily reply with the chat as well as with the help of camera. As you can see, I have successfully replied to my friend with the text. So if you want to reply with the snap, so tap on the camera, and here once again repeat the same method that I have already show you on chat. So you can see I can easily send the snaps as well as the text with the help of Snapchat story reply. So now I want to open my Snapchat chat, and as you can see on the top, I have recently sent a message hi, and you can see I have replied snaps on their Snapchat story. So this is pretty simple way to reply on a Snapchat by using the two methods. If you want to use the Snapchat chat method, so you can also reply with the text as well as the snap. But if you want to reply to your friend by using the Snapchat story session feature, so you can also use this method. So this is all about the video, and this video I have show you how to reply on Snapchat. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you get more videos regarding a Snapchat, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.